Aren't there moments when you just hate making decisions? I'm sure you must have faced the dilemma of choosing between ice cream flavors, orange or mango. Friends are calling you out to play, but what game should you play? Cricket or basketball? Making decisions by yourself is difficult enough, but it becomes even more difficult when there are more people involved. Today, I'm going to teach you about a theory which helps teachers deal with students and something that even helps children at the playground. Something that helped mathematicians and economists win the Nobel Prize. This theory has its relevance not just in a classroom and a playground, but it is also used by economists to predict consumer behavior and by businesses to plan marketing strategies. Today we are going to learn about game theory or the art of smart decision making. Game theory is a mathematical study of various strategies that people use while interacting with each other. अब आप जरूर ये सोच रहे होंगे कि लोगों से बात करने के लिए स्ट्रैटेजीज यूज करनी पड़ती है। क्या लोगों से बात करना इतना कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है? But you might be surprised to know that you have used game theory. Yes, you have used game theory. If you have thought hard about what kind of delivery to bowl to a batsman in the final over, if you have ever played chess or rock paper scissors, or if you have forgotten to do your homework and thought about how to get away with it, you have definitely used game theory. गेम थ्योरी एक रेवोल्यूशनरी कॉन्सेप्ट है जो 1920s में ओरिजिनेट हुआ था और जिसने आगे चलकर मैथमेटिशियन जॉन नैश और साथ ही इकोनॉमिस्ट रेनहार्ड सेल्टन और जॉन हर्सनाई को 1994 में नोबेल प्राइज भी जितवाया। गेम थ्योरी के अलग अलग एस्पेक्ट्स पर काम करते हुए इकोनॉमिस्ट को 2007, 2012, 2014 और रिसेंटली 2020 में नोबेल प्राइज मिला है। In 2001, a book based on the life of John Nash was adapted into a film called A Beautiful Mind, which eventually won 4 Academy Awards. अब आप सोच रहे होंगे कि इसके बारे में बातें तो बहुत कर ली, पर ये गेम थ्योरी एक्चुअली है क्या? Okay, but before that, let's try to understand the meaning of a game in the context of game theory. A game is defined as an interaction between multiple people, where each person's decision affects the others. And game theory is nothing but a study of these games, the decisions people make and the impact it has on everybody. Okay, now let's simplify it by giving you an example of the most popular thought experiment in game theory. It's called the prisoner's dilemma. Ayush and Sahil were arrested for theft, and based on evidence, they are looking at 2 years in jail. But the police officer makes a deal with both of them individually. If one person confesses and gives details on other crimes they have committed together, he will be set free, and the other person will face 10 years in prison. Now, both of them also know that if they both confess, they will both end up in jail for 5 years. And if none of them confesses, they can be out in 2 years. Now, if they could communicate with each other, the choice would be obvious. Don't say anything and get out of prison in 2 years. But Ayush and Sahil have been kept separately and they need to make a choice without knowing what choice the other one will make. If Ayush, being idealistic, chooses not to confess and Sahil decides to confess, Ayush will face 10 years for his integrity. Hence, they should both confess and opt for 5 years in prison. This is the choice that leaves them in a better position, irrespective of what the other person chooses. And this point in any game is called the Nash equilibrium. As the name suggests, it is named after the mathematician and Nobel Prize winner John Forbes Nash Jr. The Nash equilibrium is defined as the most common way to arrive at the solution of a non-cooperative game or situation where each player has chosen the best possible outcomes. So the Nash equilibrium for this particular game will be A-B, where Ayush chooses A and Sahil chooses B. अब ये तो हुई prisoners dilemma और Nash equilibrium की बात. Now let me come back to explaining how game theory is used in real life. याद है वो दिन जब आप अपना साइंस का होमवर्क करना भूल गए थे और टीचर से बचने के तरीके ढूंढ रहे थे? आपने अलग अलग ऑप्शन सोचे, क्लास की लास्ट बेंच पे बैठूंगा तो शायद टीचर मुझे नोटिस ना करे, या फिर आगे बैठ के एंथुसियाज्म दिखाऊं तो टीचर मुझसे होमवर्क मांगेगी नहीं, या फिर बीच में बैठूं और सेफ रहूं. As you were weighing these options and choosing the best one, unknowingly you were using the game theory. These are similar day-to-day examples, but the same method can be used at a larger scale in a more scientific way to deal with various situations in social science, economics, business, and many other fields. This is why game theory and the study of its various strategies is of such importance, not only at a global level but also on a personal level. So the next time you are faced with a situation, think of your options, evaluate the outcomes, and make the best decision. With some decisions, you already know the best choice. Like when it comes to building your general knowledge, there is no better platform than Mind Wars. So log on to Z5 and keep playing Mind Wars.